So there is another command also to see the file size. Like we can also see by using the ls, but there's another also, like that is du. Du means the disk usage, like show how much space or a file or a directory is actually using. So after that, I have to give the hyphen, then sh means s means the summarize the total size, and it actually only for the specified file or the directory, and the h means to make it more humanly readable. After that, I have to give the file name, like suppose the demo.txt. If I hit enter, like see the demo.txt is actually storing the 12K. Like suppose we use this just if you just want to see the storage, we just don't want to see this group owner or the group or the permissions, anything else. Okay, so this is the basic command on of them to see the storage.